A very pleased and warm morning to each and everyone present over here. Myself, Disha Patil. On the behalf of Venkateshwara Public School, I would like to wish you a happy 75th Independence Day. This is the day that every Indian feels proud. On this day, we got the freedom from the British after the 150 years of the slavery. All are gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country, India. Har Ghar Tiranga is the campaign launched in India. It is intended to celebrate the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and this movement is launched by the central government to mark the 75th Independence Day of our country. And this campaign will honor our national flag. And today is the historic day in the history of our country, India. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती गंगा है, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ का नारा है, जहाँ महजब भाईचारा है, वो भारत वतन हमारा है,
So here I would like to welcome all the guests and my co-principals, team of teachers and management on behalf of the Venkateshwara Shikshana Samsthas. And here we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with grandly. In olden days and earlier, to hoist the flag, only the person who is the important person, a school principal, superiors of the offices and political leaders are hoisting the flag. Sri Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, given the chance to everyone to show their patriotism in how we can show the respect to the flag. And in the part of that celebrations, Har Ghar Tiranga program, he is introduced that, and nowadays, and since 3 days, so everyone hoisting the flag rooftop of their houses. It's a very pride moment that we are celebrating, and it is a very memorable moment for each and everyone, that one. And when see the tricolor, it shows our dignity and pride and how honored we are here. And today we have freedom, we got a freedom from the British people. Since when our freedom fighters struggled to get the freedom, to give the freedom for us, and 200 years of in British people hands. So how our elders, our grandfathers, our British fighters and our soldiers, how they struggled and they sacrificed their life.
Let me extend my warm and hearty welcome to all the dignitaries, parents, all teachers and my dear friends. Now this is the time to get the patriotic fills our heart with the warmth and joy. Are you all ready to get entertained with the dance and songs? Now, the exciting, energetic and power-packed dance performance of our young talented students from class.
That is the Independence Day. Our country is India. We got independent on 15th August 1947. These are Gandhiji, Subhash Baba and Bhagat Singh are our heroes. Freedom is a big thing. Let us all be good citizens together. We will make India one leader. Jai Hind.
India here to celebrate 75th Independence Day with a free morning, and we have got this freedom by facing many troubles and by making many sacrifices. This day is considered to be a day of pride and full of fortune. This day brings a new spirit of hope, enthusiasm and patriotism in our mind and reminds us of how many sacrifices we have made for this day. And on 15th August 1947, such a revolution was successful whose echo was heard all over the world. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, had hosted a flag on Red Fort, and because of that, every year the PM of the country hosts the flag on the Red Fort, and this day is said to be this day is said to be the very special day for every Indian, as on this day our India got freedom forever. Now I am ending my speech with these words. Thank you so much,
My dear friends, today I am Nandakumar Sherke. I study in class 9. Today I am here to give a speech on Independence Day. India is celebrating its 75th year of independence on August 15, 2022. The celebration is titled Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, fronted by the Ministry of Culture and the Government of India. As we got freedom from the British rule, we elected our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is not just to mark our freedom from the invaders who ruled our country for about 200 years, but also to celebrate each Indian's right to live freely and enjoy all other constitutional rights stand gloriously in the Constitution of India. India is a diverse country with 28 states, over 121 languages and 270 mother tongues. Independence Day is the day to celebrate this diversity and the sprawling cultures that we cherish and preserve. It is the day to remember the sacrifices of millions of the freedom fighters who fought bravely against the Britishers, not just to reclaim their land back, but also to fight the oppression, the elitism, the sheer cruelty of their rule, and various rights to debilitate the Indian citizen introduced by the British rule. The celebration starts early in the morning at the Red Fort, where the Prime Minister of India delivers a quick speech and addresses the nation about the developments and the policies that the government has taken to take the boost the nation further. Before arriving the Red Fort, the Prime Minister also visits the India Gate to honor the sacrifices of the martyrs. by giving a Shraddhanjali. The PM then hosts a tricolor flag in which each color signifies different spirit of the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
First of all, a happy 75th Independence Day to all of you present over here. गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में ये तिरंगा हमारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में ये तिरंगा हमारा. I am very glad to have this opportunity to express my thoughts in this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day, and just 75 years ago we got independence. India got independence from the British. The story of freedom is very big, which cannot be described in a day. The story of, as we all know, many freedom fighters fought, sacrificed their lives, given their blood to get freedom for India. Freedom does not mean to do anything or earn money by hook or by crook. It means to use the opportunity which our nation provides to do our best. That freedom would have been well used.